Gold IRA Custodian. What is the difference between IRA administrators and custodians? When it comes to planning your retirement, understanding the various roles involved in managing your individual retirement account is crucial. Two key players are the IRA administrator and custodian. But what distinguishes these two? In simple terms, an IRA custodian holds the title to assets and ensures compliance with IRS reporting. They're overseen by bank regulators and must meet certain federal requirements. Meanwhile, an IRA administrator handles account maintenance and paperwork administration while acting as intermediaries. However, they aren't regulated like custodians. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. Also, to find out whether your savings are keeping up with the higher cost of living, see the link in the video description to access the free Inflation Retirement Calculator to ensure you are on track. This video will delve deeper into their distinct responsibilities, regulations, and how you can choose between them for your needs. IRA Custodians. When it comes to understanding custodians, they're the ones who've got to meet all those pesky IRS requirements and are kept in check by state or federal bank regulators. It's a pretty hefty responsibility. Custodians hold custody of assets, ensuring their safety and security. These aren't just any old assets either. These can range from traditional stocks and bonds to alternative investments like real estate or precious metals. Being a custodian means undergoing on-site examinations by bank regulators. They need to be on their A game always, so you can bet that they keep their operations in line with strict regulations. They hold title to your IRA's assets too, which makes them responsible for accurate IRS reporting. Let's not forget about how important due diligence is when selecting a custodian for your IRA. You want someone reliable who knows what they're doing. What is the role of the IRA custodian? As an investor, it's important that you're aware of the responsibility and regulations surrounding custodians. These professionals hold a critical role in managing your IRA by holding title to assets in trust for the benefit of account holders, ensuring adequate protection and security. Custodians are subject to stringent IRS requirements and are regulated by state or federal bank regulators. This level of oversight means they undergo regular on-site examinations to ensure compliance with banking standards, adding another layer of security for your investment. One key responsibility of custodians is IRS reporting. They handle tasks such as detailing distributions and contributions, ensuring accurate tax documentation is provided. It's also worth noting that unlike administrators who mainly handle paperwork and execute investments as per instructions, custodians can actually hold custody of assets. Remember though, while custodians offer a high level of protection due to their regulations and responsibilities, it doesn't negate your need for due diligence when choosing one. IRA administrators. Peeling back the layers of your investment journey, you'll find administrators working diligently behind the scenes, keeping your accounts running smoothly and handling all the necessary paperwork. While custodians hold custody of assets and must meet stringent IRS requirements, administrators are there to ensure that everything runs seamlessly. Administrators provide a vital role in IRA management. They're responsible for executing investments according to specific instructions, which could include buying or selling stocks or bonds, investing in alternative assets like real estate or precious metals, and much more. If you've ever had a question about your account or needed help with an issue, chances are it was an administrator who came to your rescue. Unlike custodians, though, administrators aren't subject to federal regulations and don't need to undergo on-site examinations by bank regulators. Their primary role is in account servicing rather than safeguarding of assets, even if they work closely with custodians who do have these responsibilities. They aren't required by law to implement specific policies or provide training for their employees. Given this lack of regulation, it becomes all the more important for you as an investor to perform due diligence when choosing an IRA administrator. Make sure they follow best practices in terms of transparency, reliability, and efficiency in handling administrative tasks related to your IRA account. While both roles are crucial for managing your IRA smoothly, this distinction in regulations manifests itself in their responsibilities too. Selecting the right entity to manage your retirement assets is a crucial decision, requiring a careful evaluation of their credibility, reliability, and track record. You need to conduct thorough due diligence before choosing an IRA custodian or administrator. It goes without saying, when embarking on the path of gold IRA investing, working with a trusted gold IRA company that has a thorough understanding of the roles of a custodian and administrator is of paramount importance. As you well know, Gold IRAs are a tax-advantaged way of buying and owning gold without the stress of dealing with local or online vendors or the need for security and storage in your own home. In addition to understanding the roles of custodian and administrator, these companies can provide access to competitive prices, price transparency, a reasonable buyback policy, reliable customer service, and security of your precious metals. However, finding the right gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, as well as lifetime customer support, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. For a highly personalized experience, National Gold Group is a family-owned gold IRA company that offers a low minimum investment, no-fee buyback policy, and great educational resources for their clients. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides gold IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. See the links in the video description to find the right gold IRA company that best serves your needs. To conclude, both custodians and administrators play vital roles in managing your IRA. Custodians, regulated by state or federal bodies, ensure IRS compliance and safeguard your assets. Administrators handle paperwork and execute investments, but aren't regulated like custodians. It's crucial you do your homework when choosing either for your IRA needs. If you have a minimum of $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold investment webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Reserve your place today. Thank you for watching.